Wait. Let me test it. Is that good enough? You have to talk louder. Testing. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 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 Bruh, this mic is gaga. It's not even working. Is it working? Oh, okay. Let me turn it up. Now, can you hear me? Or louder? Mm, I don't know if that's fixing anything. How about now? Can you even hear me? Alright. Can you hear me? You still can't hear me. No one can hear me. What? Maybe it's the output? It keeps beeping. Hello? Can you hear me? So you can hear. Yeah, it didn't work for me either. Is it too loud? It's really loud. What should I adjust? What do you mean, no? Don't adjust anything? Just leave it like that? Can't. It's right here, below the 7 on the clock. You have to zoom in, it's really small. It's right there. And I'm down, well, $3 on LRMR. Yeah, I thought it was gonna go. It's trading kind of weirdly. Like it goes up pretty fast, and then it kind of just goes down and up. But that's because it has a high float. It has a 38 million share float. So the higher the float shares, the more less it has to go up and down quickly. And then it's also S, if you see that S right here. And it's shortable, so people can basically borrow shares and short the stock, causing it to go red. You think there's a feature where I can add that? I think there's probably a feature where I can add it. Emoji bubbly. I can't see those emojis. I don't know why. I think if I but do you even have a stream thing? Yeah, it's pretty easy to set up. Yeah, after your appointment. What time are you getting off work today? Oh yeah, we should do the hardcore stream. I think I'm gonna get a mic aside from the headset. My time or your time? We should do the hardcore when I get a good mic. Oh, she's not going with you? Oh, that's good that you guys do it at the same time. All right, the stock kind of starting to open up. 388, highs 388 on the 1 minute. for that pivot. It's still below VWAP, so it's kind of a risky trade. I mean, it's below MACD, so I don't know if someone would take a trade like this, especially since you're below the $4 and it already rejected once. And the stock is shortable, so there's definitely going to be people shorting at $4. It's the volume weighted average price, so it's like if it's above VWAP, it's more likely bullish, and if it's below, it's bearish, meaning like who's in control of the market at the moment. So if it stays above it, which it is, it's that little orange line at 373 on the 1 minute. You could say that it still is very much bullish, but the way it trades right now and how it's below the $4 and how it rejected off the $4, you could say it's more in a trend going down. It's not really going to go up, I feel like, especially since it's a shortable stock. It's above, it's like a 38 million share float. Bullish is like, it's green, it's going up. Yeah. So that's what mostly bullish means. Like it's going up, it's green. And I only trade going up. I don't really trade going down. And then if you see below those little lines, it's like I don't know what kind of graph you would call that. It's like a histogram, something like that. But when the blue line is below the red one, it's like diverting and it's not. But when it's below, it's kind of, you would say sentiment is going kind of down. And you can see it's curling up right here still. But I don't think short traders would take, I think they would short it at 4 and it looks like it's gonna go to 4. Bro, yes. But it also has the chance to go higher than 4. But I simply just don't trust it because it's when stocks are like easy to borrow right here, I don't trust it. And it goes down. It's because I don't, the charts that you see, like, those charts I don't really touch actually because I feel like I need another monitor to put this, like the OBS on another one so that I could point out things. Because when I'm looking at the charts, like right now you could see, but I can't see the chat at all. So I could like, I think it would be better if I got another one or used another one because then I could really show like, you know, topping tail right here from the, oh, right here. You guys can't see the 10-second because that's where I put my stuff. But see, you have a topping tail right here at 4. High of 403. 403 was the high. I mean, you were only going to make 10 cents if you bought at around 392. and I feel like that's not even enough for the risk that you'll take. You can also see on the 5 minute right here. And then I guess you could try to draw like lines, maybe like right here. But maybe that's why it went down so fast and it didn't hold the position. I'm guessing people probably took like they lined it up with this green candle right here, and then they took this trade, and then they thought it was gonna break out, and it didn't. It just flushed down. But this one, this flat resistance or topping resistance, whatever you want to call it, it's more. I think you would have to connect it. I think you need a capture card. Yeah, I think you need a capture card for yours, baby. Because I feel like if you're gonna stream on Kick, I think you do need a capture card. I think in in PlayStation, don't they have like their own system of, displaying? I think they have their own software in PlayStation 4. Because when I used to stream on PlayStation 4, they had like a Twitch one. Yeah, Twitch. Yeah. Is that it though? Is that the only software that they have? The streaming apps? Then you can just do that. I can teach you. I'm pretty sure I know the software. It just popped up. Stock is hella weird. Yeah, I'm sure. I think you hit there's a button on your PS5 controller. At least on the PS4 there was, where you would hit share and then it would take you to like the broadcast page. You don't need a PC, bruh, to stream. You just need good Wi-Fi. You just won't have like the certain stuff that certain people have, like overlays and stuff. You do? What do you mean you do? They have that on PS5 now, where you can add like pictures and stuff. It actually might break through 4 right here, just because there's a lot of volume on the green candle, and it keeps touching it, and it looks like a cup and handle on the 5 minute, and it somewhat looks like a cup and handle on the 1 minute. So this should be the candle for the breakout, if not this one, the next one. And you're starting to get the MACD below to curl. It's about to go, it's basically already blue, but it's not even pushing up any higher. It's like teeter tottering. Goes red and blue. Not better than me. You don't have better Wi-Fi than me. Are the audios too loud, like the background, like music, or is like everything good? So everything's good. Hmm. You see how this stock is? These are like these are like the difficult stocks to trade, simply because of the way they act. There's some that are way easier. This one, it's a little weird. Could we do hardcore in Minecraft today? We're just seeing how. Okay. No, I'm not on my phone. And it reverses. You see, okay, look, it's probably, and then you see VWAP, the one that you're always talking about, baby. It's like a resistance line, so people will be buying around VWAP a lot. Since it's like a very huge indicator, a lot of intuition and basically a lot of traders just follow the VWAP closely because it's very important. They follow the other lines too, but that's more for like when it's going up for trend traders. What is that? Ya te pasaste, bro, con ese. Ay, CDO, CDO, 345, 345, 343. What's the news? What's the news? It's not pulling away. Okay. I just lost money. Oh, I didn't know they called it GG's. Are you gonna be working with that all day? Mm. Hmm. Why is I don't know. I just feel like the volume went down so much. I was just drinking water. You could hear me drink water. Hmm. Maybe it's the service in the warehouse. I don't even know if I trust this, bro. This is literally 47 cents, and that's Singaporean SG. Tenling International Holdings Limited. The crazy part is the chart actually looks somewhat good, but it's not my strategy. Big seller, 205 on the ask. 20, 20, 22,000 seller on the ask. Yeah, I'm not trading the stock, bro. Get this thing out of here. I'm gonna lose all my money trading that stock. Just give me my money. For the breakthrough 50. Um, Low volume. I guess I thought the first candle was gonna be somewhat similar to the second, but it didn't. Now we have TLIH popping up, breaking over 50, maybe holding 51. And then we have this stock coming back up. TI. The break over 350. Yeah, that thing's not gonna break over 350. Nah, that's cooked. I guess you got someone selling at 350. Hopefully at 5:30 a.m. we get some news and actually get a stock that can move up. I don't know if you really even take this trade for the breakthrough 50. I mean, I tried the first time, it didn't work out. There's an 8,000 share buyer at 340 though, so it has a good chance. But it can't hold above 350. Those bottoming tails don't look good at all. And on the 5 minute, it doesn't look good either. The one in the middle. Obviously, this isn't the stock, or this isn't the obvious one, so if it was, it would have already been up so much. And lately, the headlines have been like FDA approval, at least for the bigger ones like this one with LRMR. A lot of the headlines include FDA, so you know what? If a stock pops up and it has an FDA headline, I, I think that's one to be sure about to take a trade on. Because they already dropped like three headlines on FDA approval, and it's a biotech stock. And CDIO is a biotech, but it has no news. Did you change your name? Okay. That's what I thought. Because it looked a bit different. How'd you change it? Did you just go in the channel thing? You put, what'd you put for your profile picture? Bro, I can't even, oh, I can just type you. I think I can just type in your name. That's what I'm doing. I mean, I feel like you set that up pretty fast. I just followed you. Oh my God. Yes, I do. Oh my God. This day is so bad. I thought yesterday was bad. Today's worse. Dude, it's been like this the past week. My kick's off. What do you mean? What do you mean my kick's off? Like it's not working? Like it's not working? Like it's not working? Like it's not working? I feel like my mic's a little too loud. I feel like my mic's a little too loud. I turned it down a little bit. Oh my God. Alright, I'll turn it back up. There. I just felt like it was a little bit too loud. Maybe I just need a better mic, honestly. So it sounds clearer. What's that? I don't know what that is. I think that's their bruh. It's cause I don't baby, I don't even do this for the money, bruh. I just do it cause I like streaming and I like showing people stuff. I feel like when I was little, it was a lot about the money, but also about being a streamer. But I couldn't really stream at all because Yo, my Wi-Fi was so bad back then. Dude, it was horrible. I would just stream to Twitch and like, oh, that's fine. I'm saying my Wi-Fi was like super bad back then, and I just like streaming because I like to do it. But back then, bro, like the latency and when I just streamed to Twitch on the PS4, dude, it was like 10 seconds, and it was just so horrible. Like the interaction part too was just bad because it's not like somewhat close or in real time. It's like so delayed that. What do you mean turn it on? No, bruh. What are they called on here? Because I know on Twitch they're called, I think they're called bits. Bruh, it does work. I don't want to turn it on. I'm pretty sure it does work because I have it interlinked with Stream Elements, and I feel like everything on Elements is like pretty straightforward. Like they set up most of it, and I think it will work. Oh, they call it kicks? No. Okay, if I finish green, I'll turn it on. So you better hope they come out with good news at 5:30 right now. 8:30 New York time. What? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Well, I don't know. It might be, and it might not be. If if a good stock doesn't come up that I think it's not gonna do, I'm not gonna trade it. TLIH going up. I'm only gonna trade a stock that I think is the right one. No, honestly, I shouldn't even have traded LRMR because of the float, but CDIO is the one I would usually trade. Something like that. But I had no news, so it was kind of a risky thing to do also. But there was volume, just not news. Gold, I think that's GLD, right? Well, honestly, I don't know how people look at these charts. Like, I kinda somewhat get it. Maybe, oh damn. Well, you can see right here, this was a double bottom out. Oh my God, I gotta switch it. Alright, it's a double bottom right here. So like that would have been an entry at the double bottom right here. So you could have marked this out. There was plenty double bottoms actually. The top right here, resistance. So you could have marked this out too. Um, and then I guess for ascending resistance, I don't know how people look at this. It's just it's too jumbled. I guess you could probably see if this connects with anything. You could have took a dip trade right there. I guess. And then probably like this pullback right here, but that's it. And I would even classify that as like crazy. Maybe more. Maybe if you line these two up, maybe you can get something. Oh, look, and you actually have resistance right there. So off these 2 points, it actually might be a good idea to take the trade simply because of that. And people had it marked out obviously because it got somewhat close to it. So that's the third. That's the third touch. What flavor? What flavor of Ruffles? The Mexican ones or the other ones? Just the regular ones, huh? I don't like that ones that much. I like the other ones. And then when you put Valentina on it, it tastes way better. Have you ever had Doritos con limon? Well, that was the 30-minute mark. We got a fucking penny stock that went up 3 pennies, 4 pennies, bruh. Yeah, we can't get a stock that can go up at all. And CDIO, I don't even know if I want to trade it anymore because I already lost money on it, bruh. I don't know how much higher it can go. Well, I don't think it can go much. The way the market's trending, there's a big buyer at 54, but I think he's gonna get sold into and he's gonna go below. Whoa, 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 whoa! We got V wave popping up. Never mind, there's no volume on it. Let's check the bid and the ask. The spread is, it's almost like a 40-cent spread on a stock like this. It's an aerospace, announced 10 million development to build scalable defense industry. I like the news headline, but there's just no volume. But the spreads are starting to tighten up. It's a 15-cent spread. Now it's like a 7. So it's honestly not a bad idea. Might take a trade. But you see, there's no volume. There's like 1,000 shares traded. on this 1 minute candle. On the 5 minute, it looks good. There's like around 33,000. The spreads are tight, so they're not really far apart from each other anymore. Yeah, none of these stocks have been really doing crazy things. But I'll be right back since nothing popped. Oh my. Okay. Never mind. CDO popping up. It's the same stock though. Like, what's the move? I mean, I don't even know if I trust it. The way it trades, I want to trade, but the way it's trading, I don't like it at all. There is a big bidder right there there was at 360. It just fell right through 360, and no, it seems like it's gonna go down, even though it's above MACD. I'm gonna be right back. Yeah, never checked. Hopefully, at 9 we get some news before market opens, because I don't think I'm gonna trade after market opens, honestly. Especially if all these stocks have been looking like this pre-market. I just rather keep the loss small than make it look bigger than what it is. What were you doing? Should I just start playing crazy music and just blow up my account? Oh. Dude, lately the market's been so slow. Oh my god. Okay, I'll play something else. What do you want to hear? Bruh, it's because I have to be calm. How do you? Yeah, you kill the mobs. Like you make mobs kill other mobs in Minecraft to get the disc. I'll play one song. I'll play a Minecraft song just 'cause it's kind of calming too. You want to hear? We have either Pigstep or Aramath. I'm only gonna let you pick from those two. Yeah, to drop the disc. Bro, I've been known that since I was 10. Oh, and then we have side other song. Other side. Other side Pigstep or Aramath. Yeah, okay. I will start with my favorite one plus. Is it loud? Is it perfect? And is it clear also? Okay. If you want to turn it up a little bit, you can tell me. Bruh, on the Nintendo Switch, on that I'm selling, I put it on auction, and I sold a controller, bruh. But I lost money on the controller because of fees. Do you not have your headphones? So you're like me, you can only focus on one thing. I need to make clips of the trades I took yesterday and today. Bro, this is like so much work though. I feel like posting on every platform. I feel like they should make an app where you can post it on one and send it to all. good stock. No good stock. VIR. You actually could do this for a reversal trade off 200 maybe. MAIA. MAIA is popping up. And I bet you this thing's gonna flush because it's shortable also. Potential. Well, that's potential though. So I don't know if the news is even good, to be honest. Yes, I do. 239, 239, 240. Yeah, if it was the one, it would have broke out already. It wouldn't have took this long, I feel like. I'm kind of looking for that, like 241 if I was going to take a trade around here. Yeah, it would have been like 241. But I don't know. 7 cents isn't really what I'm looking for, like a 15 cent at least gain. And if I get less, that's okay, but I should at least predict and see that I'm going to get over than under. Alright, last song. And then I gotta go back to the peaceful stuff. And this is the banger. And I'm gonna turn this shit up. Oh, the day I was born? Yeah, I know. Oh, 525. Why'd you choose 0912 for your other one? Mmm. Bro, I don't think I'm gonna finish green today. Oh my god. Well, that stock is going down, bro. That's definitely not the one. I'm not green, I'm red. 14, $15. But I mean I'm not on this one. Mm. But I'm not even upset at the at losing on the on CDIO. It's green because that's just how it is, but you see realized in red. Realized means what I've incurred over this day, and it's 14.64. So $14.64 plus fees, which is like another 60 since it says right there. Probably like, I want to show something, but I think if I try to show it, it's gonna get, I don't know. Oh, fuck it, bro. I'll just show it. 17.17. $17.17. So I'm down like $18. Why is it like that, bro? Oh, I guess I can't get rid of that, bro. It has to stay there. Oh, that's like a error noise. Like when you try to do something, it'll say like, there's an error and you have to fix it. Because I'm trying to take this account number off. But it says it has to be like, I guess I don't think it's something that I can take out. I think it's like, yeah, it won't let you take it out. It'll probably only let you like, do that. That's the only way. And then this has to probably go like this. No, I had it right. That's the only way. I mean, yeah, hit auto fit, and it goes like that, and then, yeah, that's fine. But it doesn't even matter. How can you hear me eat a banana, bruh? Oh, hold up, it's 6. Yeah, you're banned, bruh, for this room. Ya te pasaste. Well, for me it's 6, for you it's 7. For me it's 6, for you it's 8. So who's 7? If it's 6 for me right now, and it's 8 for you, okay, I'm gonna send you the little turtle emoji. I'm gonna see if I can even put that in the chat. I mean, I could probably like email me the picture and then put it on the screen. You want me to do that? Let me see. You hear that? It's so quiet. Nothing's beeping. I just deleted it. I need to go get the picture. Hopefully nothing beeps while I do this. Should be quick. You know, like I finish in 1 second quick. Download, save. This penny stock, it's still going up. It could be image, turtle, and then browse. Image. I think that's fine. Can you see it? Should I get the other one? I think we're cooked. Okay, let me email me the other one. They're all JPEG. Downloads. I put back on the calming music. I think that's good. Blue, blue thing, and then oh, that's the New York Times. Yeah. So at 9:30, I try to show the seconds, but I feel like I can't I can't really show it like how I really want to. I mean, I can make the font smaller, I think, but I just think it's that size. Like they don't really make it smaller than that. Bro, nothing. There's nothing. Nothing has popped up. How are they gonna work today? I said, how are you gonna look? How long are you gonna work today? GTX is Chris, right? No. GTX is Chris, right? Yeah. I think he was on. I think he was on Twitch. I think he followed me on Twitch. Is he in Kick or Twitch? Oh, I thought he was in Twitch. You guys watch the same people on Kick? Ay, tú sabes, though. Tú sabes. Who watched it first, you or Chris? ASMR? Question mark? I'm gonna get I'm gonna get a shitty ass mic and do ASMR. Have you seen those videos on TikTok where they get like the worst mic possible and they just start fucking it up, on purpose, and people actually listen to it. But you have seen the food reviews with the ASMR. No, don't say that. Pa, I wouldn't wish that on my worst enemy, pa. Serio. Yes, there is. ALRUR, ALUR. Look at this dog. Is it you actually not? Oh wait, hold up. RIME. I'm tripping now. Okay, RIME. Oh my god, this looks so good. It's so good. What is this, bro? What is this? Mwahahaha! I finished green. I told you, bro. They don't believe me. Bah, I wouldn't wish that on my worst enemy, bah. Serio. All right, let me reopen the charts because I don't feel like going reopening them. No, that wasn't the deal. I have to finish up 100, bruh. Oh, big buyer. 206, 207, 207, 207, going up to 33, 33. Oh, big buyer at 27 again. 104. It seems like it has to hold 104 if it wants a extension with Coca-Cola. I don't even know what this headline is. I don't even know if it's good, but it has something to do with India. So it might be goaded. Literally, the headline is Semi-Cab awarded pilot with Coca-Cola India. I don't know what that means at all. And I don't know if I even want to take another trade. And I don't think I'm going to because I feel like that push should have been a little bit higher. I feel like there's a tug of war around here, around 230-ish. And you can also see on the level 2 You can see that 32 is kind of like resistance. People don't really want it to go above 32. Whether that's shorting, people shorting, even though it's hard to borrow, or people just selling because they're scared that it might reverse on them. I think maybe the best thing to do is maybe wait for a pullback because this is already a pullback, but on the 5 minute, it could go a bit higher. Or it could do like a pullback on the 10-second chart. Let's see. Do you not hear the music though, Jackie? Okay, let me fix that. I think it's because of the OBS thing. Maybe because it's really quiet. I'm gonna turn down my alert volume. I feel like it's a little too loud. I mean, I already showed it, so I don't really care. $15 up on the day, so it's. I think the way this stock is trading like a grinder, I don't think I want to take another trade. Can you hear it? The music? And should I turn down the volume? I feel like it's really loud. I think that's done because we're 7 minutes from market open, and I really don't like taking trades during market open. I feel like it's way too volatile for me, and I lose a lot more money just because of the emotion on it. And you don't know what way the market's moving. You can barely hear the music. Can you hear it now? How about the alert, the ding ding ding? Is it too loud, or can you barely hear it? Well, obviously, it's not going off right now, but I'm saying like when you do hear it. No carne. Here, I'll do it for you right now. Um, what do you think? So it's perfect. It's not too loud and not too. Oh, the other one, the halt. Yeah, I was just. But the ding is perfect. Like it's not too loud or that you can't hear it. Okay. Up $19 with fees minus for $15 today. And I'd say that's how I like it. I like being at least like $15 a day, at least. Obviously, there's gonna be red days, but I want to keep them very small. I'm not trying to revenge trade or, if my max loss on here is 100, which I do have a max loss of 100, it shouldn't be I trade all the way to max loss. So I kind of don't want to go below 15. Like that was my last trade. If I went below 15, then I would have been done for the day. And I could trade more right now, yes, theoretically, because I'm above 15. But yes, baby, I know. But right here on the top right, my realized altogether is how is Amazon minus? Oh, you're talking about the stocks and Fidelity. Is that minus 13 today or yeah, it's cuz the S&P 500 as a whole is down. It's not really, which you would think that the news about tariffs would obviously bring stocks way up, but that's not the case anymore. I mean, I'm up like in my Roth IRA, I'm up 100, and then on my other one, I'm up another 100. It's like 1%, around 1% on both. But on my Robinhood, I'm probably down hella because I invest a lot into Amazon. Yeah, I'm down 100 on Amazon. Did you put did you put more money in? Well, I could show you the stocks right now. Well, MU is actually rebouncing 429 on the chart. Nvidia, it's going back to basically, well, half day on the 1 minute looks like it's gonna go since it already broke the 1 minute resistance. But maybe other people are looking at something else because I know these like swing traders like to go off dailies and off like 1 day candlesticks for resistance. Spotify. Damn, it seems like they had good news and like where did it all go? Like were people just trend trading it? It went to a high of almost like 500. Didn't break above it, but UCTT, UCTT, UCTT. I, Amazon, AMZN, AMZN. It's opening around the same price, kind of. So it's nothing too different. And that's when the dinging goes. And everything goes volatile and crazy. We can look at AMZN and see how it's trading. And it's dipping. Who knows? Maybe I'll make a comeback. Yeah, it's because a lot of people wake up for the market. But that when market hits, I'm done. Like, I don't trade market at all because of halt levels and stuff like that. Bruh, you can give me kicks another time. You think, I'm guessing the whole market as a whole is, yeah. Do you see how the market is? Like, if one thing goes down, they all go down. Like, it should not always be like that, I feel like. And the market's tricked in some way that if one stock goes down, they all have to go down. Look, we start green, we go down. This one actually doesn't look too bad though. I'm guessing SPY as a whole is probably down. Yeah. You got a double bottom right here. We can look at the level 2 too. You see how fast that thing's moving? I'm not trading that with real money though, bro. Could have bought at like 681 to see if it would make a retest. Or for a scalp trade, at least that's what I would do. But if I need to save my log since I'm done. KNSA, KNSA. Yeah, this small cap market's not doing too hot. Besides LRMR, but it's shortable. And Amazon shortable too. Obviously, because it's a large cap. You got a big seller at 503. It's a $5,000 seller at 503. I mean, on 3 at 3.8. I don't know. I think that just depends on your risk tolerance. Because a lot of this stuff is more for like, I feel like when people really pull off charts, it's more like, you're looking at it because people feel a certain way about it. Like, look at this stock, bro. Like, how down are we gonna go? We're gonna go this one, maybe this one. Maybe we're gonna go to 187. I could try to mark it out. Maybe we go all the way down to here. Or maybe we stop. Yeah, I think maybe we stop around here, probably. That's me as a scalper, like a day trader thinking. But there's swing traders that probably think, maybe it's a better buy if we wait all the way down here since there's 3 double bottoms. That's just how other people feel. Oh, on the halt up, bruh. I don't know. I feel like they're all. Honestly, I think NVIDIA, bruh. It's usually a no-brainer. Even if it goes down, bruh, I still think it's a no-brainer. Or maybe you should wait till it hits the 20 EMA at 170, 172.08. FGL. Ain't nobody trading that stuff, bro. Get that out of here. You see, bro, like United Healthcare dropped 2%. Or you can buy more Microsoft if you want. Since you like Minecraft, MSFT. There's kind of a lot of selling though. And it's, but you see how it's kind of below the 200 EMA. Honestly, I think you should buy more head. just, just, no, bruh. It seems like everything on the 1 minute that touches hood is just going down. People really just follow the trend though. I'm done trading for today. I know you could like average down though. It is risky because it's already a bad trade. I think I'm done now. I don't really want to trade any other stuff. I mean, it's not for me. What happened to my 1 minute? Why is it all the way down here? What? I don't even know how to bring this back up. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, it's because of this. But then why is this stuff up here? I feel like I have to compress it like this. Dude, I don't know what happened here. I mean, you could buy it though. I don't even know what happened here. I don't even know how to fix this. Why'd I save it? Oh my god, bruh. 7? Yeah, I'm just gonna end the stream here and try to fix this charting issue. I'm done for today. I'm just gonna call it quits. See ya!